Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Widya Ruswindra. My number identity student is 211 011 and double three. Today I will explain about vocabulary, video, and another example. The first vocabulary is supplementary angle. In Indonesian, we say sudut suplemen or sudut berbalik lurus. And the definition is supplementary angle are thus angle that sum up to 180 degrees. This is for illustration of supplementary angle. We have A degree plus B degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Another example of supplementary angle is 120 degree plus 60 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. And second example is 90 degree plus 90 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. And 140 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. And last example in this slide is 96 degree plus 84 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Next vocabulary is complementary angle. In Indonesian, we say sudut komplement or sudut berpenyiku. For definition is when the sum of the angle is equal to 90 degree. They are called complementary angle. This is for illustration of complementary angle, and this is we can see, for example, 30 degree plus 60 degree are complementary angle, and this is 60 degree and this is 30 degree, and we have the sum two angle. The value will be 90 degree. Next is interior angle. In Indonesian, we say sudut dalam. Interior angle are those that lie inside the polygon. For example, a triangle has three interior angle. The other way to define interior angle is angle enclosed in the interior region of the two parallel lines when intersected by a transversal are known as interior angle. Next vocabulary is exterior angle. In Indonesian, we say sudut luar. The exterior angle is the angle between any side of a shape and a line extended from the next side. When we add up the interior angle and exterior angle, we get a straight line 180 degree. They are supplementary angle. This is an example of interior angle and exterior angle. We can see this is an interior angle, and this one is exterior angle. Next is opposite angle. In Indonesian, we say sudut-sudut yang bertolak belakang. Opposite angle are non-adjacent angle formed by two intersecting lines. Opposite angle are congruent is parenthesis equal in measure. This is for illustration. For example, if two lines intersect and make any angle, say 45 degree, then its opposite angle is also equal to 45 degree, and the angle adjacent to angle X will be equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree, and is equal to 135 degree. This is illustration of opposite angle, and this is we know about angle 1, this is equal to angle 3, and angle 2, this is equal to angle 4. Next is corresponding angle. In Indonesian, we say sudut-sudut yang bersesuaian or sahadap. Corresponding angle are the angle that are formed when two parallel lines are intersected by the transversal. This is for example and illustration. This is A and E are corresponding angle. This is A angle and this is E angle. They are corresponding angle. Or in Indonesian we say A and E is sudut-sudut yang bersesuaian. Next is alternate angle. In Indonesian we say sudut-sudut yang berseberangan. Alternate angle are angles that occur on opposite side of the transversal line and have the same side. There are two different types of alternate angle, alternate interior angle and alternate exterior angle. And next vocabulary is alternate exterior angle. In Indonesian we say sudut-sudut luar yang berseberangan. Alternate exterior angle are the repair of angle that are formed on the outer side of the parallel lines, but on the opposite side of the transversal. This is example or illustration for alternate angle and alternate exterior angle. And this is a blue angle. This blue angle are alternate interior angle pair. And green angle, this is green angle, is R an alternate interior angle pair. And the red angle, this red angle, is are an alternate exterior angle pair, and last is purple angle. This is a purple angle. Purple angle are an alternate exterior angle pair. Next is size of the angle. In Indonesian, we say besar sudut. In geometry, an angle is measured in degree from 0 degree to 180 degree. The number of degree indicated the side of the angle. This is, for example, in this angle, the value is 84 degree, and this angle the value of is the value is 67 degree, and this angle have value is 70 degree, and this is size of the angle is 33 degree, and this is half size of the angle is 106 degree. And next vocabulary is quadrangle. In Indonesian we say segi empat. For definition is a plane figure consisting of 4 points, each of which is joined to 2 other points by a line segment, where the line segment might intersect. This is example for 9 quadrangle shape. This is the first is trapezium, this is a trapezoid, this is isosceles trapezoid, and this is parallelogram. This is a rhombus, this is a rectangle, this is a square, this is a kite, and this is dart. Next is a video varied exercise from kids from grade 1 to 3. And I will explain about the material from video. And the first is, we know about the triangle, that triangle have 3 sides and 3 angles. This angle Y, angle A, angle B, and angle C. And we know about that we have if we sum the A plus B plus C, and we will get to 180 degree. So what happened if the geometry have with more 3 sides? And this is, for example, this is a polygon. The polygon have 4 sides or 4 angles. This is angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, and angle 4. So what happened with the value of the angle? So to know the value of the polygon with 4 sides. We dividing a polygon to get a triangle, and this is we draw a line, and we will get triangle. The first triangle is A with angle ACB, and the second triangle have angle of X, Y, and Z. So the first triangle will be A plus B plus C. The value is 180 degree, and the second angle is X plus Y plus Z is 180 degree. So with the sum, with the triangle, and we will get X plus Z plus C plus Y plus A plus X. This is will be 180 degree plus 180 degree, and the value is 360 degree. So what happened with we have the 5 sides in polygon, or we can say this is a irregular pentagon. This is we have 5 sides. This is side 1, side 2, side 3, and side 4, and side 5. We can dividing the polygon pentagon with a straight line, and we can draw a line. This is the first line, and this is the second line, and we get a triangle, and this is triangle 1, triangle 2, and triangle 3. From before, we know about the size of the angle. Size of the triangle is 180 degree, and we get for pentagon is 3 triangle. So we can subtract. We can times 3 times 180 degree. This is equal to 540 degree. So what about this is a hexagon. This is hexagon. We have if we draw a line, and we will get 4 triangles. This is triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, and triangle 4. And we get 4 triangle, and we know about the size of the triangle is 180 degree. So the size of hexagon in this picture will be 4 times 180 degree. So the value is 720 degree. So what happened with the S side polygon? And we say this is a S side polygon, and we get from before we know. But if the triangle we have if with 3 sides, we get 1 triangle. If 4, we get 2 triangle. If we have 5 sides, we get 4. If we have 5 sides, we have a triangle. If we have 6 sides in hexagon, we have 4 triangle. So the function sum of interior angle of a polygon will be S. S is side of polygon. S minus 2 times 180 degree. This is, for example, sum of the interior angle of a polygon with 102 sides. So the S value is 102, and so the answer is S minus 2 times 180 degree, and the S value is 102. So 102 minus 2 times 180 degree. So 102 minus 2 is 100 times 180 degree. So the value of so the answer is 80,000 degree. Next, I will explain about example. We have a 4 example. Wait. I'm sorry, this is how to get the function. This is, we have four types used for two triangles. So the number of triangle is will be 2 plus x minus 4. This is the function is x minus 2. Next, I will explain about the example chapter 4, number 6, 7, 8, and 9. Example 6, 30 feet ladder lands against the side of a building and reach the flat roof. If the ladder stands at a point 10 feet from the house, how tall is the house to the nearest foot? This for illustration. The illustration is h is height of building, and this is from ladder to building. Bottom of ladder to building is 10, and we know about the length of ladder is 30 feet. So for now the value of h building, and we can use a Pythagoras. So we get h square plus 10 square. This will be 30 square. And h square plus 10 square is 100, and 30 square is 900. So we minus both sides with 100, and we will get h square will be 900 minus 100. So the h square will be 800. So we root square the both sides. We get h equal root square 800. So the h value will be 28,28. So the question is, how tall is the house to the nearest foot? So the conclusion is, so the height of the building to the nearest foot is 28 feet. Next example 7, the side of a triangle are 15, 15, and 18. What is the length of the altitude to the non-congruent side? Okay, we get the illustration. This is an illustration of a triangle with 15, 15, and 18. The 18 is this side. So we can draw a line in the middle, and we get a 2 triangle, and we dividing 18 with 2, and we will get 9 and 9. So we get the hypotenuse is 515, and the altitude is h, and the base side in this triangle is 9. So we can know h value with Pythagoras. So we get the model is h square plus 9 square. This is equal to 15 square, and the 9 square is 81, and the 15 square is 225, and we minus one side with 81, and we get x square. This will be 144. So we both side, so root square the both side, and we will get the h will be h equal to root square 144. So the h value is 12. So the conclusion, so the length of the altitude to the non-congruent side is 12. Next is two parallel side of an the parallel side of an isosceles trapezoid are 8 and 16 and 18 units. If the area of the trapezoid is 156 square units, how long are the non-parallel side? Okay, this is the illustration. We know about the 8 and 18 units. So the first and the base 2 is 8, and the best one is 18. If we draw a line from top to the bottom, and we will get the value of this will be same with the base 2. So the value in left and right will be 5. This is an illustration. And we know about the area of trapezoid is 156 square. So the function of area of trapezoid is 1/2 times parenthesis base 1 plus base 2 times h. So the area of trapezoid is 156 equal 1/2 times base 1 is 8 plus base 2 is 100. I'm sorry, base 2 is 18 times h. We get 156 equal to 1/2 times 8 plus 18 is 26 times h. So 26 dividing by 2, we get 30h. So the dividing both sides by 30, and we get the h value is 156 over 13. So the h value is 12. So we know about the h value is 12. So we get the h, and we want to know about the non-parallel side. This is a non-parallel side, and we know this is a triangle with 5 sides, and the h is 12. How about value of a? We say the non-parallel side is a, so we get a square. To get a value is root square 5 square plus 12 square, and we get the a value is root square 20. The 5 square is 25, and the 12 square is 144. 25 plus 144, and we get the is a equal 106 root square 169, and we get the a value is 13. We can also and another example, we can also find the hypotenuse directly using a triple Pythagoras, which are 5, 12, and 13, and the hypotenuse must be 13. In conclusion, the length of the non-parallel side is 13 units. Next is a floor pattern requires tiles that are in the shape of a rhombus. The manufacturer makes the tiles according to the length of the diagonal. How long is each side of the tile? If the diagonals are 10 and this is 16 inch. So this is an illustration of the rhombus. We want to have side of the tile. We say side of the tile is S. I'm sorry. And diagonal is 10. We know about the 10 from here to here, and 16 from here to here. And this is we dividing by 2 and we get the 1/2. This diagonal is will be 5, and we'll have diagonal 1 is 16. Dividing by 2 we get the 8. So we get a triangle with 5 sides and 8 sides, and we want to know about S value. In the triangle, S value is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So the S value will be root square 5 square plus 8 square. And the 5 square is 25 and 8 square is 64. And so 25 plus 64 is S value is 80 root square 89. So the problem doesn't ask for a specific degree for accuracy. It is the best, therefore, to leave the answer in radical form. So the conclusion, the length of each side of the tile the tile is root square 89 inch. That's all for me. Thank you. If I have a mistake, I'm sorry. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.